This morning, a grim milestone. More than 3 million people worldwide have died of COVID since the beginning of the pandemic. It's according to Johns Hopkins University. The U.S. has the highest number of fatalities with more than 566,000 deaths, followed by Brazil and then Mexico. The World Health Organization warned this week the pandemic was, quote, at a critical point with an average of 12,000 deaths per day. And despite the vaccines, it's not showing signs of slowing down. This past week, the global daily new cases are nearing the all-time highs that were recorded in January. For some context here, the 3 million deaths worldwide is slightly more than the population of Chicago, Illinois. But the vaccination effort nationwide rolls on. CBS 4's Tom Hanson joins us now in New York with the latest.
Cases on the rise, with several states across the country battling new infections. The CDC blames dangerous variants and relaxed restrictions, including ending mask mandates, for the increase in cases.
All roads to defeating the pandemic go through the path of successfully and quickly vaccinating the country.
It's a race for shots, with nearly a third of American adults now fully vaccinated. 50% have received at least one dose.
We're trying to get it as soon as possible. Like I said, we want this to end as soon as possible.
But with the variants infecting young Americans and more than 37,000 people hospitalized nationwide, experts warn the U.S. strategy to out-vaccinate a mutating virus could derail progress.
Numbers are higher than they've ever been before.
In Canada, officials are sounding the alarm. Infection rates now outpace those in the U.S. and threaten to overrun hospitals. It's worst in the provinces of Alberta and Ontario, where police now have new powers to curb the spread.
This wave is different from previous waves, in part because the variants of concern are more communicable and more serious.
And some better news here in New York. Hospitalizations in the state have dropped to their lowest point since December. And New York City's Mayor Bill de Blasio says 5 million New Yorkers should be vaccinated by June. Tom Hanson, CBS News, New York.